Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make a dip with black-eyed peas. And we're going to be adding all these ingredients straight to the bowl of my very old food processor, and yes, it still works, so yes, I still use it. I will be making half the recipe, but I have the full recipe below in a printable version on my blog, and as we go I'll tell you how much the full ingredients would be so you have that information. Alright, we're starting with some black-eyed peas that I've cooked from dry, and I keep these in the freezer so that they're handy. And I have 2 cups here, or actually the recipe calls for 2 cups. And if you want to use a can of black-eyed peas, that would work just perfectly. 1 can drained and rinsed. And then we would have a half an avocado diced. And then we would have 1 stalk of celery diced up, and then a 1/3 cup of bell peppers and a 1/3 cup of diced onion, and of course I have half of that amount in here. If you want to use onion powder, you can do that, and I've got the amount in the recipe that you would use. And then you would use a half a teaspoon of dried dill weed, and I have in here what would be equivalent to 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. You can also use 2 cloves of fresh garlic. In this case, I like the garlic powder in there so I know I don't accidentally get a big bite of garlic. And then 3 tablespoons, equivalent to 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And that's it. So we're going to go blend it up and I'll show you what it looks like. Here's our finished dip, and bear in mind this is half the recipe. Now, since I'm eating this by myself, you'll see why I only made half. And no, I can't eat all of this in one setting for sure. But you can see it's got a nice thick consistency. This works well with vegetables, with chips, with pita bread. You can even use it as a spread on sandwiches. It's really good. Give this a try sometime and let me know how it works for you. This is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.